What's up guys, and today we're gonna play VR Racing 3, and today I'm gonna show you all the cars I got on level 20. So I've got 14 now. Last time I did to show you all the cars was I only got 6, but now I've got 14, which is like more than twice of getting the cars than usual. So now we've got the Chevrolet SS NASCAR. The Nissan SILVIA S15 in yellow with nice tyres. Aston Martin DB9, which reminds me of the 007. The BMW 3.0 CSL, the one that reminds me of that car that used to race, and also I won it in Generations, the events that used to run in Real Racing 3, but it ended, and I only got 1 out of 2 cars, but this was the classic one. The future one is a long way to get, and it's not free. The Dodge 71 Challenger RT is more of a classic car, more classic sporty. The Ford Focus RS was the car I got up to when I was in level 10. And introducing the new cars, the Dodge Challenger RT in a turquoise, and here's another blue one in a Lexus IS350F Sport, made in 2014. The BMW Z4M Coupe in an orangey red. The Nissan 350Z Z33. The same Hyundai I used in the Gauntlet Season 5, which ended about nearly a week ago. And it's the same exact one, painted it yellow. I might probably upgrade it a little bit. The BMW 1 Series M Coupe, which is the main cover you see in the amateur group of cars. The Hyundai i20 WRC. Now this one was literally free. If it was still RS's, it would be 500,000 RS's, as you can see next to the gold. This was free, and I did want it. And at last but not least, the Dodge Charger SRT8, the newest one. The one I got up to this level 20 actually, when I unlocked the Pro-Am. As you can see there in the front cover, and the AWD attack for the Hyundai i20 WRC. So anyways, please comment, like and subscribe for more videos.